Man, everybody getting sick around us. Should I even keep doing this YouTube food thing? But the people do need to eat still. Some people won't know how to cook being stuck at home. I'll keep doing it. But I'll do it better than ever.
Hamburgers, the cornerstone of any nutritious breakfast.
Alright, this recipe is really simple. This is a really fast cook. You're going to need some chuck roast, some kosher salt, some black pepper, and you're going to need something to grind your meat up with. Found this $29 meat grinder on Amazon a while back. And there's a burger patty shaper. Still not necessary. You can just use your hand. The meat grinder will be necessary though. Now, this meat grinder is real simple. Just a twist to grind kind of thing. It's kind of like a converted juicer. It's trash, but it does get the job done if you get it. You can get it to stay still. You're going to take your roast. You're going to freeze your roast. You're going to thaw it down, but not all the way. Cube it up like I got here. And go ahead and put it in your grinder. And if you can get it to stay down still, go ahead and grind that up. Now this meat grinder, from a scale of 1 to 10, I'm definitely going to rate it like a 4. It just doesn't hold up. But when you can get it to work, as you can see, it works good forward or backward. Now this Miker's meat shaper set is real simple. It's about $10 and it comes with 100 wax paper dividers. Now here you just open up your Miker's meat patty shaper. Even though it says non-stick, you still want to go ahead and hit it with some kind of non-stick cooking spray. We've already started the burger, so we got some more down here. That's why you see little pieces of meat out there. You take you a medium, small, or even a large ball of meat. You're going to roll that up nice. Drop that right inside your shaper. Then you're going to press it down. You're going to give it a good amount of pressure. That pressure is going to press it around and, give you the simple, perfect meat patty shape for a burger. And it doesn't take the strength of the Incredible Hulk to do it, no matter what size you do it. Now this meat shaper, you can even use it to create stuffed patties. I'm going to show that in a later video. Here we got a small patty. My daughter actually loves burgers. This would be hers. Now, some people say mix your salt and pepper in while you're grinding. You don't do that. You salt and pepper it afterwards, or else it'll draw out all the liquid right now at the very beginning. Now, cooking oil or cooking lube. I use a little bit much of it in this case, but it was for a good reason. I'm seasoning the pan and I'm making sure that good old Maillard reaction that causes the browning of the meat to go ahead and make sure it gets in there real quick. Case like this, 3.5 minutes per side, one flip. Never two flip your burgers. As you can see here, I pulled out the cast iron team to get this done a lot faster from my house. Yeah, I'm putting on a little more salt and pepper mid-cook. While your burger's finishing up its cook, you might want to finish the rest of your accoutrements. And here we have it. All done. 7 minutes. Look at that on the inside. Juicy, perfect, filled. You like cheese on yours? How about 3 different types of cheese? Now that's it. Real simple cook, y'all. You can do this. My wife made those fries for me. That ends another cook. I'm David Griffin of the Griffin Media. Before you leave, you make sure you hit that subscribe and the bell notification. I need you to do that. Don't forget to hit the like and the share button. Send this video around. Make sure your girlfriend and your mama and your uncles and your daddies, everybody know how to cook. All right, y'all. I'm out. But I'll be cooking again soon.
This is a tasty burger.